Hey guys, I have a short tutorial for you today that will teach you another way to tie the lark's head knot. I use this method when I am attaching a long piece of cord to my dowel or driftwood because it is a much faster method. First I will show you the original method. I still use this method when I am working with shorter strands of cord, but with longer strands it can be quite tedious. So instead, here's the new method. Fold your cord in half, pull the strands through the loop, and then slide the loop onto your dowel. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my ropes so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.